Good day, everyone. So, for our topic today, we will discuss operation and function as well as the composition of function. Pagsamahin na natin. Now, in our given, we have f of x is equal to x plus 5, and our g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Using this two given function, isosolve natin yung operations on function. We have four operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, as well as the composition of function. And isama na rin natin yung evaluating on function. Okay, so number one, first, solve muna natin yung apat na operation sa function natin. The first one is f plus g of x, meaning to say, we need to add the two given function. Okay, pag nag-add tayo ng given function, susundan lang natin yung process natin in algebraic operation. Okay, so una, syempre, i-add mo muna yung f of x plus yung second function mo, which is g of x. Okay, then after that, substitute na natin kung ano yung mga given values nila. We have x plus 5 plus 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Okay, and here, since addition naman, ang process lang natin is to combine the similar term. Ano-ano ba yung mga magkakaparehas dyan? So, 2x squared, wala naman po siyang kaparehas. So, i-bring down lang natin yan. We have 2x squared followed by itong x. And then, on the other side, we have 9x. Since they are same positive, so ipag-add lang natin. X plus 9x, we have one imaginary numerical coefficient, so that will become 10x. Okay, and then lastly, yung ating constant number. So, 5 minus 5, that is 0. So, ito na yung magiging final answer natin. 2x squared plus 10x. Ito na yung addition of two function natin. Okay, now, let's move to subtraction naman of two given functions. So, we have f. Siyempre, pag subtraction, minus ito minus g of x, of course, ganun pa rin yan, f of x minus g of x. Okay, now in subtraction, magkaiba sila ng process ni addition. Okay, in subtraction, first, you need to write the first function, which is x plus 5. Kung ano yung nauna, siya rin yung isusulat mo. Okay, then you need to write its operation minus. Yung second function, lagyan mo ng parenthesis, which is 2x squared plus 9x minus 5, then close parenthesis. Okay, now, in algebraic operation, kapag nagsusubtract tayo ng two functions, nagbabago yung sign ng second function into its opposite sign. Pero para hindi ka malito, ang gawin mo na lang is simply multiply negative in every term doon sa second function mo. Okay, for example, this one, negative multiply by positive 2x squared. Okay, negative multiply by 9x squared, and then negative multiply by negative 5. Okay, then after that, proceed ka na sa operation ng addition. Okay, so i-rewrite natin yan. We have x plus 5 negative times 2x squared, we have negative 2x squared. Okay, negative times positive 9x, we have negative 9x. And then lastly, negative times negative 5, we have positive 5. Okay, and kapag meron ka ng ganito at na multiply mo na yung negative sign in every term doon sa second function mo, proceed ka na sa operation on addition. Okay, so kung ano yung ginawa natin kanina sa addition, yun lang po yung gagawin natin dito kay subtraction. Okay, so bring down na natin yung walang kaparehas. We have negative 2x squared. Bakit wala siyang kaparehas? Kasi 2 yung kanyang exponent. Okay, so ibig sabihin wala siyang similar term dito. So 2x squared, negative, lagay natin. And then ito naman, x minus 9x. Okay, magkaiba ng sign. Pag magkaiba ng sign, laging tatandaan, ima-minus yon. So, 9 minus 1, we have 8x. Anong ipa-follow natin na sign? Yung pinakamataas na integer, which is 9. So, that is negative 8x. Okay, and then lastly, 5 plus 5, we have 10. Okay, so your final answer is negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 10. Ito na po yung sagot natin kay subtraction. Now, same given tayo, pumunta naman tayo kay multiplication. Okay, so same given pero multiplication naman yung operation na gagamitin natin. Ayan, paliitin ko lang. Okay, 85. Okay, so here, in number 3, we need to multiply f multiply by g of x. Okay? And that is, pwede kayong gumamit ng parenthesis in multiplication, di ba? So, f of x multiply by second function, which is yung g of x natin. Okay? So, simply first write the first function, which is x plus 5. And i-separate natin yan using parenthesis. And then, pangalawa, yung second function natin, which is 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Okay, kapag nagmumultiply ka, ang una mong tatandaan, okay, is yung first term ay kailangan mong ma-distribute doon sa second function mo in every term. Meaning to say, sa bawat term doon sa second function. Okay, so i-multiply natin isa-isa. X multiply by 2x squared. Okay, so the answer will become 2x cubed na po tayo. Tandaan, pag nagmumultiply ng exponent, we simply add their exponents. Siyempre, meron kang imaginary 1 dito. And then may 2 ka dyan. So, simply add. Okay? And the next one, we have x multiply by 9x. And the answer will become 9, positive 9x squared po tayo. Okay, and then lastly, for first term, x multiply by negative 5. So that will become negative 5x na po. Okay, and then dito na tayo sa second term natin. 5 multiply by 2x squared, the answer will be positive, okay, 5 times 2, so 10 yan, 10x squared. Okay, next term natin, 5 multiply by 9x, so positive, positive pa rin naman. Okay, 9 times 5, the answer is equal to 45. So that is plus 45 x na lang po yan. Okay, so 45x. And then lastly, yung 5 multiply by negative 5, yung parehas na constant, 5 multiply by negative 5, the answer will be negative 25. Okay, then after that, i-combine lang natin yung mga magkakaparehas na term. Okay, since 2x cubed yung pinakamataas na exponent, siya yung uunahin po natin. Okay, so we have 2x cubed followed by 9x squared and then 10x squared. Since parehas silang positive, i-add lang po natin. So the answer will become 19x squared. Okay, and then next one, we have negative 5 and then positive 45x. Okay, negative 5x plus 45x. Since magkaiba po yung sign nila, we simply subtract. Tandaan ha, pag magkaiba ng sign, sinusubtract natin yung numerical coefficient. Okay, 45 minus 5, that is equal to 40. Okay, so 40x na po yan. Anong susundin natin na sign? Yung positive, kasi mas mataas yung 45 kesa yung 5. So that is positive 40x. Okay, and then lastly, since wala, iisa lang naman yung ating constant number, which is negative 25, i-bring down na lang natin. Okay, so the final answer here is 2x cubed plus 19x squared plus 40x minus 25. Okay, and this one will be the final answer. Ito na po yung magiging final answer natin. Okay, so next, on number 4 class, we have the given of f of x divided by or all over g of x, meaning to say division na po yung process natin. Okay, so that is x plus 5 over 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. Okay? Since may numerical value yung labas ng ating or yung tabi ng ating variable with second degree of exponent, ilalabas lang po natin. So we have x plus 5 over, labas natin si 2. Okay? And then i-divide lang natin 2x squared divided by 2, ang matitira na lang ay x squared. Okay? Plus 9 divided by 2 is 9 over 2 pa rin naman. Okay, 9x over 2. Okay, and then negative 5 divided by 2 is negative 5 pa rin over 2. Okay, kung mapapansin natin, wala namang factors. Okay, yung ating given trinomial. Okay, na pwede nating ma-factor out para may makancel sa numerator. Kapag walang factors, then ito na po yung final answer. Huwag nyo na pong i-simplify. Okay, so this will serve as our final answer in our division. Okay, yung division process natin. Okay, and the next one, this topic class is yung operation and function natin. Same given po yung kukunin natin, pero ang isa-solve naman natin is the composition of function naman. Okay, so copy ko lang. Move tayo sa baba. And then paste. Okay, same given po yung gagamitin natin. Then, ang isa-solve naman po natin is yung using the composition of function. Okay, so number 1, we have f of g of x. Okay, class, uulitin ko ha, ang basa rito ay hindi fog. We can read this one as f of g of x. And we can write that one as f of g of x. Okay, meaning to say, in getting the composition of the given function, first, you need to write the first function. F po yung first function natin. So, isusulat lang po natin yan. We have x plus 5. Okay, then after that, i-underline mo lahat ng variable x. Since isa lang naman yung variable x mo, ito, okay, meaning to say, siya yung papalitan natin ng second function, which is yung g natin. Lahat ng value ng second function mo, ililipat mo dito sa x natin. Okay, then, that will become 2x squared plus 9x minus 5, then ilagay natin yung positive 5. Okay, then after that, proceed ka na in simplifying your function. Simplify mo lang. Okay, so si 2x squared, wala namang kaparehas. Bring down natin. Okay, plus si 9x, wala rin pong kaparehas. Negative 5 plus 5, that is equal to 0. So, meaning to say, ito na yung magiging final answer po natin. Okay, how about kapag ang pinakuha naman is number 2, g of f of x. Okay, baliktad naman po yung pinakuha. Meaning to say, we can write that one as g of f of x. Okay, so anong unang isusulat? Yung g naman po, kasi siya yung naunang function. Okay, so that will become 2x squared plus 9x minus 5. And then, i-underline na natin lahat ng x variable. Lahat ng x variable, papalitan natin ng second function, which is yung f natin, which is x plus 5. Okay, so we can write it as 2 multiplied by x plus 5 squared plus 9 multiplied by x plus 5 minus 5. Ganito na po yung magiging equation natin. Now, alam naman natin na itong x plus 5 squared, Okay, we can solve this one using a FOIL method. O, paano yung FOIL method? Dito tayo sa kabila para ma-solve natin. In color blue tayo. So, x plus 5 multiply by x plus 5. So, FOIL method tayo. First, outer, inner, last. Okay, yung first natin, x multiply by x, the answer is x squared. Okay, x multiply by 5, we have 5x. 5 multiplied by x, we have 5x again. And then 5 multiplied by 5, we have positive 25. And then combine similar terms lang tayo. We have x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay, itong na-solve natin na ito, ililipat natin dito sa value ng x plus 5 squared natin. Okay, so that is if we will rewrite our function, that is 2 multiply by x squared plus 10x plus 25. Okay, plus 9 multiply by x plus 5 minus 5. Okay, from here, since may nakita tayong parenthesis, it indicates multiplication operation. So, meaning to say, kailangan natin tong i-distribute. 2 times x squared, ang magiging sagot natin ay 2x squared. 2 multiplied by 10x, that is equal to 20x. And then 2 multiplied by 25, we have positive 50. Punta ka naman kay 9. 9 times x, we have 9x. Okay, 9 times 5, we have 45. And then, ilagay lang natin si negative 5 dito. Then, after that, combine na natin yung mga magkakaparehas na term or yung similar term natin. Si 2x squared, since walang kaparehas, ibababa lang natin 2x squared. 20x and then 9x, same positive, i-add lang po natin. We have 29x. Okay, then after that, 50 added to 45 minus 5. Okay, so dito muna tayo. 45 minus 5 is 40 plus 50, we have 90. And this one, class, will be the final answer. 2x squared plus 29x plus 90. Okay, so ganito, class, yung composition of function natin. Now, same given tayo, pero i-discuss natin yung evaluating of function. Okay, uh, so here, same po yung given natin, pero in number 1, you are asked to evaluate f of positive 1. Okay, ibig sabihin, lahat ng x dito sa f mo, okay, papalitan mo ng positive 1 for you to get the final answer. Okay, so sulat muna natin yung given function natin. X plus 5, then palitan ko raw ng positive 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 plus 5, then f of 1 is equal to 6. At ito na, class, yung magiging final answer natin. Okay, how about kapag pina-evaluate sa'yo yung f of negative 2 naman? Okay, so negative 2 naman, lahat daw ng x, palitan mo ng negative 2. So, x plus 5, substitute lang po natin. Then, f of 2, negative 2 I mean. So, negative 2 plus 5. Bawal po kayong gumamit ng calculator, ha? Kaya kailangan alam nyo yung law of sign natin. Negative, and then ito ay positive, magkaiba ng sign, isusubtract po natin. So, 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. Sundin nyo yung pinakamataas na integers natin. Since 5 is positive, so positive 3 po yung sagot. So, f of negative 2 is equal to positive 3, and this one will be the final answer. O, punta naman tayo kay G, class. Solve tayo kay G. So, number 1, lahat ng x sa G, palitan natin ng G of 0. Okay, so lahat ng x, palitan natin ng 0. So, 2 multiplied by 0 squared plus 9 multiplied by 0 minus 5. Okay, alam naman natin na lahat ng number or even a variable that is being multiplied by 0, the answer is exactly 0. Okay, so ito, 0 na po yan. Ito po ay 0 na din. Ang natira ay negative 5. Therefore, G of 0 is equal to negative 5. Okay, ganito po class yung process natin in evaluating of function. Okay, again ha, same given lang to pero ano yung na-discuss natin? Tatlo na. Evaluating of function, ano pa? Uh, Decomposition of function. Ito po yung composition of function natin. Ayan, ito po yung composition of function natin. And then lastly, yung ating operation on function. Okay, apat po yan. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and yung division po natin. Okay, thank you.